Let's learn how you can import custom fonts on your CapCut. So let us start by opening our browser. Now you need to go to some site where you can download fonts. I will use this one to show the tutorial. And now you need to find font that you want to download. So I found this one. And all you need to do is to click on download button. Now it will show up in this downloads. You need to open file, click on this file and click on this install button. So font will install itself now, and now you need to open CapCut, go to your project, and here you need to add new text. So here it is. Now head over to these fonts. So for you will be like this, okay? To remove this preset fonts, just click on this little arrow. And now it will show system fonts that you have installed in your system, so on your PC. Now you need to find your font right here. And here it is. So we have downloaded Hope City. And let us type something. As you can see here, it's working and you just have installed new font on your CapCut. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.